This video provides an outline on how to do a basic bike setup.
First up, the area to be used must be level. My equipment consists of a wind trainer and leveling block, plumb bob, hex wrenches
and spirit level.
With the bike in the wind trainer and level, the rider's cleat position is checked. To do this, place the cranks horizontal to the floor. Check the rider's foot, not the shoe, is horizontal to the floor. Make sure the ball of the foot is directly over the pedal axle. If not, move the cleats backwards or forwards to get the ball of the foot over the pedal axle. The next stage is to assess the seat height. Have the rider warm up for a few minutes. Check to see if the rider is seated in their normal position in the saddle and their sit bones fully supported.
Line the crank up with the seat tube.
Ask the rider to straighten the leg and lock the knee. Check that the hips are stable and horizontal on the saddle. Ensure the foot is horizontal to the floor. In this case, the foot is not horizontal to the floor, so the seat is adjusted to a slightly lower position. The sole of the foot is rechecked and is horizontal to the floor. The other foot is checked and is also horizontal to the floor. The next stage of the basic bike setup is to assess the seat position. To do this, the cranks are horizontal to the floor and the string on the plumb bob is held on the tibial tuberosity, which is just below the kneecap. The plumb bob is directly through the center of the pedal spindle. Where this is not the case, the seat should be moved forwards or backwards until the plumb bob is directly through the center of the pedal spindle. The final stage of this setup is to check the position of the handlebars. Check the rider's back is straight and shoulders are square but not rounded. The upper arms are at right angles with the body. A rider can safely reach the brakes when on the hoods or in the drops. With the rider in the low tuck position, elbows bent, there is a slight overlap of the elbows and knees, and a greater overlap when in the drops. Check that the stomach is not clashing with the thighs. Finally, the rider's shoulder bones must be in line with the handlebars.
This basic bike setup was carried out on a level surface and used a wind trainer, leveling block, plumb bob, hex wrenches and a spirit level. The setup, adjustments and checks were performed in the following order: cleat position, seat height, seat fore and aft and handlebars. This order should not be changed. While this is a basic bike setup, it is recommended that a rider should get a professional bike fit at their preferred bicycle shop.